Hello everyone, it's Scott here at 5 Automotive and welcome back. Today's video we're going to be using the Smallrig spider mount, essentially showing you the installation, application and where it can be used. For us, it's a great way to add some diversity to our films, thus keeping our viewers engaged as well. So each kit includes 4 suction cups, 4 magic arms, 2 steel wired support cables, an adjustable bowl mounted base plate and a V-mount battery adapter. The suction cups and base plate have multiple size threads for a variety of different mounting options, but the main connection we're using here are the built-in NATO rails. With the base plate mounted to the camera, next step is to connect the magic arms to each of the suction cups and then to the bottom of the base plate. Both the suction cups and the base plate have a locking pin to make sure that the magic arms don't slip out in case they come loose. The next step is very important. You need to make sure that you're applying the spider rig to a clean surface. Any dust or dirt beneath the suction cups may mean that they won't be able to create a firm vacuum, causing them to come loose or will fail to adhere to the surface entirely. Once the surfaces are clean and dry, position the camera to get the shot you want and move the arms into a triangular format of maximal strength. The key here is to have at least 3 points of contact. Pump the button on the suction cups until the white line is no longer visible, indicating that you have a strong seal on the surface. Connect the V-mount adapter to your camera if necessary. Usually, we would monitor these situations with our wireless Holyland Mars 4K transmitter, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use a wired monitoring solution. As you can see, our first setup is a medium close-up of Dave from a 45-degree angle. It's worth noting that you'll need a circular polarizing lens, or CPL filter for short, to cut out any unwanted glare on the windscreen, unless of course you're going for a specific look. As you can see, the reflection in the shot is gradually fading away by adjusting the CPL.
So today, Dave, we're using the spider rig. You can't see it from inside the car. This is what we see. We were testing this rig in a controlled scenario, so it should come as no surprise that you shouldn't obstruct the driver's eye line in any way. If a head-on shot is what you need for your film, a low loader should be considered first and foremost. Failing that, using something like a tilt-a-hydra alien arm from a camera car would also be a good bet. From this triangular setup, we managed to achieve numerous different angles, 2 from the bonnet, 2 from the roof, facing forwards, backwards, and also a shot of the wheel. We also wanted to take this opportunity to try out our newer suction cup, which is rated for 50 kilos, and we use our Fuji X-T5 to capture a few shots inside the cabin to further demonstrate what can be achieved. On top of that, we use our GoPro Hero 12s to capture a few extra angles, and no, the wheel shot is not from the GT86. All in all, we managed to capture 10 different angles using the spider mount, and they've proved to be a vital addition to our creative arsenal. Smallrig have done an excellent job designing their spider mount and has allowed us to shoot more unique angles. Thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully that gives you a few potential options when you're using the Smallrig spider mount. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.